All right, number 3. Find two angles, one positive and one negative, that are equivalent to pi over 3. The key is that the angle is in radians, so the answer has to be in radians. Now, if you're not comfortable thinking in radians, you can go ahead and convert this angle back to degrees, answer the question in degrees, and then convert it back to radians at the end. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert pi over 3 to degrees. So if you forgot, this was in lesson 9. In lesson 9, there was a link to a website, a calculator, that will convert radians to degrees and vice versa. So in this case, we want to convert pi over 3 from radians to degrees. So let's do that conversion. So pi over 3 is equivalent to 60 degrees. So this right here is equal to 60 degrees. So we're going to find two angles that are equivalent to 60 degrees. In other words, we're going to find two angles that are coterminal to 60 degrees. So to do that, I'm going to take 60 and I'm going to add 360, and I'm going to take 60 and I'm going to subtract 360. Okay? Because remember, if I add or subtract 360, I get an equivalent or coterminal angle. So 60 plus 360 is 420 degrees. Okay, and 60 minus 360 is negative 300 degrees. So there's your positive and your negative angle that's equivalent to 60. Now the only thing we have to do is convert these angles back to radians. So I'm going to go back to the calculator. I'm going to go back to this calculator, and I'm going to convert, first going to convert 420 degrees to radians. And that's going to be 7 pi over 3. So there's your one answer, 7 pi over 3. And then I'm going to convert negative 300. So I'm going to convert angle negative 300 from degrees to radians. And that's going to be negative 5 pi over 3. So this is equivalent to negative 5 pi over 3. And those are your two answers. Find two angles, one positive and one negative, that are equivalent to pi over 3. The answers are 7 pi over 3 and negative 5 pi over 3. And that is it for that is it.